how to fix TikTok cannot claim creator rewards. So hi guys, today I'm going to talk about how to fix TikTok cannot claim creator rewards. So to fix issues with claiming or accessing TikTok creator rewards, first make sure that you meet the program's eligibility requirements. You must be at least 18 years old, have 10,000 followers, and have over 1 lakh video views in the last 30 days. Now, if you meet all criteria, but also you can't claim the creator rewards, what you can do is clear the cache. Just open your TikTok app, then tap your profile at the bottom right, and then tap the 3-line menu at the top right. Now go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down to cache and cellular section, then tap free up space, and then tap clear next to the cache. Now the next what you can do is update the app. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and then find TikTok. And if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. Now, if the updating doesn't work, just uninstall the existing TikTok app from your device and then restart the device, and then go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and then re-download it again to resolve the temporary glitches. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.